Hey YouTube, good morning. So this morning we found these babies, as you can hear in the background, when we came down to feed, and they're not even cleaned off. We think the mom is not being a mom. I don't think she's fed them, and they're cold, and I put some shavings on them. Mrs. Bar went to go get a towel so we can dry them off, and we have some bags of colostrum, and they're fighting like heck to feed, and Mama we couldn't get her to drop her milk or anything. So I don't know what's up with her, but we probably gonna be sending her to the train station, if you know what I mean. But anyway, that's where we're at. I'll give you some more updates a little bit later today. I mean, they're fighting. They want to live, and so we've got some colostrum in a bag, and I'm gonna try to clean them up some more. And I put shavings on them, try to get them a little bit drier than what they are. But so that's why they got stuff on them. They're both females, I think. So I really would like them to live. And anyway, that's where we're at for now. Let me show you the mom here, and she didn't even act like, I don't know, she was standing at the gate to go out and feed, and I don't know if she's just out of it or what, but we'll see. I'm gonna put some more shavings down for them, and then I'm gonna go out and do some other stuff, and we'll get back here. Anyway, get back at you. Bye. Hey YouTube, I'm back. We're just trying to get some food down them. The mom's not doing anything, and they're fighters. We're just gonna try to get them, try to keep them up, and hopefully the mom will kick in. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey. There you go. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come here, buddy. I know you want Mama. Let's get y'all beside each other so y'all can get warm here. Alright, here. That one's eating. Come on. Alright, there you are, both getting some. Anyway, YouTube, sorry for the shoddy angle. I just have it set up, my phone set up against the barn. I didn't have anything I didn't bring the tripod. I was just trying to get these guys a little bit of, get them dry and all that. But they're both females. Aren't they cuties? They smell good too. Not really. Ah! All next week, you'll probably see some footage about all next week, because today's February the 6th, and next week it's supposed to get really cold, and it's supposed to be like 17 degrees on some days. And if that had happened today, these guys wouldn't be alive, because the mom didn't clean them up, didn't do anything. So we're gonna actually get some more pine shavings and spread them out, make sure there's plenty of good warm places to get, and I'll probably be checking on them a lot just to make sure that I'd hate for them to die just because of a random what am I trying to say? Because of just random weather. It's not normally that cold. So, and these little guys, if Mom doesn't start taking care of them, we'll bring them up, put a heat lamp on them, I guess. Anyway, I'll jump back in here in a minute. Bye. Hi, YouTube. So we've got them a little bit down them, as you saw earlier, and they're a little weak, and but they're somewhat. You know, I dried them off some. I brought some fresh towels down here to put on them, and they're gonna have to feed them again in about 4 hours if Mama doesn't do something. You see that one's legs a little bit, looks like it's hyperextended. That happens sometimes, and they grow out of that. I've had one like that before. But they are both nannies. I'm excited about that. And they're both fighters, because Mama ain't worth the crap right now. And I'm hoping she's just kind of out of it because of the stress. So what I'm going to do is, here in just a second, I'm going to, let's see, sorry, I'm going to put a panel across here and basically lock her in there with them, and make her be by them. And I'm gonna bring some hay in here and stuff. I'm gonna get some of that cow manure out of the way and stuff. And so I'm gonna shut you off right now just to conserve battery, and then I'll kick you back on here in a minute. Bye. There's Mama, and hopefully with them pinned up like this, she's gonna wake up and start being a mom. We'll see. There's Bo coming to check him out. We'll see. She looks like she's pretty stressed out, and I don't know if Bo jumped her. I don't think those are. I don't know. Right now she's so wound up. I don't want to stir her up. I might, next time I grab her, I might check her face and see if that's puncture wounds, because if it is, we got a problem. So we'll see. I don't think that's puncture wounds. I think that's just where she was. If that's blood coming out of her nose, I don't know if that's from her licking on her babies. I just don't know. So I'll know more tomorrow. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'll be giving probably a lot of updates over the next week because of babies. I think I've said that already. But you can see what I did here is I just made a pin where she's pinned up tight with them. And Bo's over there doing his job, cleaning up the afterbirth. But they seem healthy. I'm glad it's not real cold today, because they might not have made it. Anyway, let me get out of the light here so you can see. All right. Hopefully Mama will turn into a mom again. Bye. They're quick learners, that's for sure. I don't think Mama's I think Mama got bit by my guard dog, and I think that's why she looks like she is bleeding from her nose. I'll show you a picture in a minute. I'm not going to disturb her because she's stressed out. And so we're going to move Bo outside the pen, and hold on. We're going to move Bo outside the pen because we're going to have a bunch of babies being born in the next couple weeks. And I I don't want him to do that to another one. He's a good dog, but he's overprotective of their babies, and when they go to butt him, he attacks. This is the second time. I thought maybe the first time. I thought the first time was a fluke, and apparently it's not. So we're gonna hope that Mama doesn't get an infection. I've got some antibiotics. If it starts swelling up, I'll give her a shot, but I'm gonna try to leave her alone and let her get her bearings, and hopefully she can. It's a tough breed. She's mostly Kiko, I think, and they're a tough breed, so we'll see. So we'll bottle feed these babies. We had some frozen colostrum, and we'll bottle feed them for a few days and try to let her take back over. It worked the last time. We did that the last time. So anyway, but you guys see how cute these little guys are. They're playing. They're happy. Come here, Pop. Come here, baby. They're still trying to nurse, but I've fed them 2 ounces, and that's really all you're supposed to do. Otherwise, you don't want them to get the scours. But they are healthy babies. They're cute babies, and they're nannies, or dolings, I guess you would say. So, anyway, and then let's see if I can get in here without scaring her a little bit. Here's Mama, and she ate pretty good. She's got hay, she's got water, and she's just kind of out of it. And yep, those are bite marks on both sides of her face. Because those same marks, right there, those 2 marks right there, it's fading in and out. Those are fang marks, or teeth marks. So she did get bit. And that's why she's bleeding out of her nose, is it did something in there. So hopefully she'll pull out of it. It'll take her a couple of days probably. She's pretty stressed out. She's kind of out of it. So we're gonna move Bo out of the pen for now, and then once all the babies have been born, then we'll move him back in. Anyway, please like and subscribe. I'll get all this blended together and probably get it posted tomorrow. But we'll see. All right, y'all have a good weekend, and I will talk to you later. And I'll show you some more updates of these babies whenever we get when I come back out here tomorrow.